All right, we're doing a room tour of 5222 in the Havana area. This is an interior room, but we just walked in, saw it briefly, and said, hey, I think we can deal with this. This looks better than other interior rooms, but this is a 3-bed setup. First time we've ever done that. Anthony's going to be on top, Michelle on the left, me on the right. Coming in here, let me cut this on as well. Whoops, I thought that cut on. Oh, it's not light. Okay, so you got a mirror right here. All right, so you have a light right here, a little work desk area. Nice little chair. Trash can down there. A light here. And then here are your outlets. You got a couple USBs down here. You got a couple of regular 120 volt, and then you got a European plug here as well. Life jackets are under the bed, that's what it says. Telephone right here. This is where I will sleep. This is a twin bed. Michelle's gonna sleep right over there. She's already laying there saying hey. Anthony's up here on the top in the big boys area. You got a little ladder here. Goes up the top. What you got up there at the very top, Ant?
A light.
There's a light up there. Can you cut it on for us? Nice. Any USB or plugs up there?
I haven't looked around yet.
Okay. So yeah, we got that up there for Anthony. Here we got 2 little tables side by side with a light. And it looks like there's a plug right here. There's no extra one down here. But it's for the 2 lamps. They cut on. So I think we can deal with this. This is better than other interiors we've had. Then you got a TV on this side, a little table. We got our drinks and stuff in the bottom. Do have a refrigerator here. Fridge on the bottom. And the past horizon has awesome refrigerators. Alright, so here we're going to go to the left side. Doesn't look like a lot of storage though. You got drawers down here at the bottom. And a safe here in the middle. A couple shelves above. The shelves right here do pull out. They're nice. And only one stand-up closet on this particular room. That's a little different. We got our luggage in the bottom. Alright, so now let's look at the bathroom. There is a step up here at the bottom. There's your heat and air, which we got it all the way down. Okay, so it has a shower curtain. I do like the color of this one. It's kind of a brown color instead of the normal green. But yeah, a little step up lip in the shower. Pull over cord. The wand. You do have your shampoo and body wash. And the on and off here. Also has a railing here to hold on to. A bar. There's your throne down here. And on this side you got 3 shelves. On the left you got the extra plug at the top for shavers or hair dryers. Pull out mirror. And then you have your towels. Toilet paper at the bottom. Storage on the bottom. A little hand there as well. Trash can at the bottom. And then 3 more on the right as well. So, not a bad looking. So I'm 6 foot tall, a little over 300 pounds. I got plenty of room up here. And you can see this is the cord for this room. So plenty of room, top to bottom. I mean, you probably got another 6-8 inches, 8 inches above me. So probably somebody 6'8" would be okay in here. So let's look back in the main room. There we got a beer. They did not leave that for you. But I'm digging this. I think we can do this, right, Michelle? Anthony?
Yes, I like my bed.
I like this. We'll see how hard the bed is.
It feels pretty good
But,
right now.
desk area, I'm a vlogger, so this area right here, I'll set that area up to vlog. Nice chair, plenty of room there behind you. I'm liking this. So this is good. So one tip is to take, I don't know, business card. This is like a Caesar's card. And keep it in this slot, because if not, the lights and power will cut off. The lights are cut off, right?
Yes.
So just as a tip for the room, if you got an old business card or old card, just put it in here
Just leave it.
and leave it all the time, because if not, it'll drive you crazy, because when it's out about after 30 seconds to a minute, the lights will cut off. Another tip for these type rooms is to get the European plug. They're the outlet. It's not a surge protector, but it's a power strip. And then you got these 3 top ones that you can plug into, plus 2 USBs and a USB-C. So during our trip here, there was no USB between the beds. Hey, honey. But there's no USB between the beds. So you can use this right here.
Plug one of the lamps.
Yeah, you have to unplug one of the lamps, because on both sides there is the European outlet, which takes the 2 prongs. Now you can buy these that have the adapters. We also bring 2 types with us, just in case, because you don't know about the room. This one, both these on Amazon. This is a 1-beat. It's got the 3 120 volts, and it's got 4 USBs on it. And this is the one I just showed you a second ago. That's the European. It has the 2 USB and the 1 Lightning C. So highly recommend both of these. Bring them with you, and you should be set no matter what kind of ship you're on and what kind of power needs you have. These are all the ships are lined up on this side, and it's just beautiful. I mean, absolutely gorgeous. They got the sauna over here, Havana area, the pool here, and then this is the aft of the ship. Yeah, this Havana area is awesome. We're going to enjoy this a lot. And the Havana bars right here on the inside and outside. We're sitting over here in the shade. Nice.